Welcome to the kitchen. Today we're diving into how you can cook quick and healthy meals, even with a busy schedule. With these recipes, you can get nutritious meals on the table in under 30 minutes, perfect for anyone looking to eat healthily without spending hours cooking. Let's get started. Step 1. Building a basic pantry. Always have some healthy staples on hand like quinoa, whole grain pasta, fresh or frozen vegetables, lean proteins like chicken or tofu, and a variety of herbs and spices. With these ingredients at your fingertips, whipping up a healthy meal is always within reach. Now let's dive into some quick and healthy recipes. Here are 3 easy meals you can prepare in under 30 minutes. Recipe 1. Quinoa salad with grilled chicken and vegetables. Cook quinoa following the package instructions. While that's cooking, grill some chicken breast and chop bell peppers, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes. Mix everything in a bowl with a dash of olive oil, lemon juice, and your favorite herbs. Recipe 2. Stir-fried tofu and broccoli in soy sauce. Cube your tofu and cook it in a pan with some oil. Add sliced broccoli and carrots, stir-frying them until tender. Add soy sauce and sesame seeds for an extra burst of flavor. Recipe 3. Whole grain wraps with hummus, avocado, and grilled vegetables. Spread a layer of hummus on a wrap. Add avocado slices and fill with grilled vegetables like zucchini, bell pepper, and spinach. Roll up and slice in half for a quick, filling lunch. Step 3. Meal prepping. It's a great way to save time and maintain healthy eating habits. Cook larger portions of your favorite recipes and pack them in containers for the week. This makes it easier to make healthy choices on busy days. Ensure you store your meals in airtight containers to keep them fresh. Step 4. Use fast cooking techniques. Stir-frying and grilling are ideal for quickly cooking vegetables and proteins. A slow cooker can also be your best friend. Just toss the ingredients in the morning and come home to a ready-to-eat meal. And there you have it, some tips for cooking quick and healthy meals. Try out these recipes and share your results in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more cooking tips and easy recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.